Hey kids, we're back in the shop. We got a full boat now. We are going to be doing a little bit of welding today, but what we're going to be doing, we're testing out this fire resistant shirt from Bocomal. Now, I like this pattern. It's really, really nice. And let's not forget, she got the snaps, baby. Can't beat that with a stick. So, stick around. We're going to be doing some welding. Not going to be doing a lot of talking. We're just going to get at it. And so, let's get at it. Here. Can you guys see? Can you get closer? Okay, it's getting closer. Yeah. It's a horseshoe. You didn't know. Well, you probably know that, right? All right, I'm gonna get this set back up. Here we go. Nice tack on there. Good.
This is honest Peyton speed shop, where the hot rods never stop. Crying metal, burning rubber on the street. Feel the power, feel the heat. We don't play, we don't quit. Just horsepower and grit. Honest Peyton speed shop. Yeah, we're never gonna stop. Model A's with attitude and chrome. This garage is where the wild things roam. Burnouts in the alley, black rocks on the ground. Piston pumping, that's our favorite sound. Painted red or painted black. Once you roll out,
and
you ain't coming
I think it's going to put it back on red.
This is honest Peyton speed shop, where the hot rods never stop. Crying metal, burning rubber on the street. Feel the power, feel the heat. We don't play, we don't quit. Just power and run around. Peyton speed shop.
In my foot right.
Yeah, we're never gonna stop. Build it, break it, make it scream. Living out the hot rod dream. This is honest Peyton speed shop, where the hot rods never stop. Crying metal, burning rubber on the street. Feel the power, feel the heat. We don't play, we don't quit. Just power and we're rise. Peyton speed strong. Yeah, we're never gonna stop.
Time to round it. All right, kids, you saw it was a lot of fun just to do some welding. And of course, we all know that the Bocomal shirts are 100% Honest Peyton Speed Shop approved. They're fantastic. We love working with Bocomal. Make sure you check out the link. We'll have one to the product right here. And till next time, keep on wrenching.